Hi guys, you must have picked up some chalks, right? Chalk is a utensil for writing and drawing by means of a blackboard. However, there are other uses for chalk. What is it? Let's explain now. Sidewalk chalk is usually a large and thick. Chalk stick comes in several colors and is mainly used for sidewalks and concrete sidewalks. Blackboard chalk, which is typically used in educational settings, is shorter and thinner than sidewalk chalk. There are several types of sidewalk chalk, usually available in single color. There is also a 3D sidewalk chalk set. Each chalk treated in two specific colors and appears three-dimensional when viewed in 3D glasses that come with the chalk. Sidewalk chalk is used at some universities and schools to advise for events, especially where there is much concert. Prohibitions are set for where students can use chalk. Usually, limiting it will be washed away with rain, or areas which are said to be clean of chalk markings. Some teachers promote use of sidewalk chalks on a tablet as an iterative teaching tool. When sidewalk chalk was created to allow people to paint on sidewalks or curbs, some law enforcement agencies may ban because sidewalk painting in certain areas without first asking for permission. On September 16 and 17, 2016, a global event was organized to promote peaceful tone drawings on the sidewalk. Tone for Peace is a project planned by an artist from Arlington, Virginia, John Aaron, who asked children and teenagers ages 8 until 18 to join groups around the world to draw chalk drawings that will illustrate peace for one of the Chalk for Peace events. The largest sidewalk chalk festival in the world is the Pasadena Chalk Festival, held annually in Pasadena, California. The 2010 edition brings together about 600 artists of all ages and talents and attracts more than 100,000 visitors. That's another use of chalk. Not just ordinary stationery with one color, but also many different colors, but not less artistic. Thanks for watching this video. See you later.